welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad that you decided to join me again. If you are just tuning in, it is Vlogmas, and this is day 5 of Vlogmas, so if you want to go back to day 1 and watch that, I will link the playlist down below in the description. But if it is your first video, you picked a good one. My name is Crystal, and I'm a full-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, The RealReal, sometimes ThredUp. And on this channel, I just do a bunch of reseller content. So I do what sold videos, I do thrift hauls, and really I like to give you a bunch of context so that hopefully you can go out to thrift stores and make some money yourself selling some of this stuff. So if you are interested in any of that content, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. It really does help me out, and also it gives you the information to let you know when I'm uploading videos. So make sure your bell notification button is turned on, and that will give you a push notification to your device to let you know whenever I'm uploading. Also, if you like this video or any of the other videos that you happen upon, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And we're gonna get right into it today. My dogs have decided to join me for this, so sorry in advance for anything crazy that happens at the zoo today. But if you've been around for any length of time, you know that I can't do anything without them. So anyway, today's video is gonna be an unboxing. I ordered 2 Goodwill blue boxes. I don't know if they're going to be good or if they're going to be garbage. So we're going to find out together. I'm going to show you this box. It is huge. And I ordered 2 of them, and I'm not sure if it's both of these are, if this is the 2 like together, or if there's another box coming that's just like this. So there might be 2 videos, there might only be 1, but if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, then stay tuned because we're going to get into it. Okay, so I've opened the box, and inside the box there is this, let me cover my address. Hold on. Trying to figure out how to cover my address. Okay. There's this like receipt. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it. Anyway, the receipt basically tells you where this came from. This came from Goodwill, Teneva in Kingsport, Tennessee, which I live in Tennessee as well, so that's probably just wherever was closest to me. This does say that this is both boxes in here because it says quantity 2, and then it tells you the price. So I paid $24.99 for these boxes each, and then $5 shipping each, which totals up to $59.98. And supposedly there are going to be 10 to 12 items per box. So on the low side, if there are 10 items per box, I'm looking at $3 a piece, right? So that's average Goodwill prices, I feel like. So but because this is both boxes, I might break this up into 2 videos. So we're going to just see how long it takes and kind of break it up accordingly. So I'm going to try and keep this video to about 15 minutes. So if I don't get all the way through the box, just know there will be a part 2 to this, which I'm probably going to film right after this. And then there's also another unboxing that is coming in either tomorrow or the day after, which I'm also going to film today. And that's just a mystery box that I bought off of Poshmark. Somebody was closing their closet, and I purchased a mystery box, and I'm just going to unbox it. And that video is going to be short because I think there's only 5 items in that box. Also, I want to let you guys know about something that I decided to do for December. So I think that Thanksgiving was probably, I think that some people were not following rules accordingly, and like, I'm not going to say whether or not, like what my opinions are on that, because that's not what this channel is about. But because I think a lot of people caught the virus on Thanksgiving, I have decided for my personal business and for my family that I am not going thrifting, at least for the first 2 weeks of December. If I have enough inventory to get all the way through, then I am not going to thrift until January 1st. So, and Christmas may be the same thing. So I'm not really sure what the next couple of weeks of thrifting is going to look like. So that's why I purchased this box and that mystery box as well, because I've got inventory coming in. I also got a rather large donation today, and the week right before Thanksgiving, I did actually have a very decent time at the bins, I think I spent like $50. So I have the stuff, and if need be, I can go through my own closet and stuff like that. So really, I'm going to be working through all of that. I'm going to be doing inventory this month because it's the end of the year anyway. So I've not done a full inventory in my business since I started in 2018, and we're going into 2021. So I want to put hands on every single item. I want to make sure that it's listed on all 3 platforms. If it has been in my closet for over a year to a year and a half, I'm going to donate it or create boxes and send them to people or whatever, because a year and a half is too long, and that's just the way that I want to move forward. So I also want to get a little bit of a better inventory system as far as when I do my books. It's very hard right now to figure out where the items are listed on my inventory sheet. It's a mess. So I really want to like clean that up this month as well. So I've got a lot of things going on for December, so I'm not really upset about not thrifting. I have plenty of inventory to get me through. And yeah, so sorry about that rant if you don't care about that at all. We're gonna get into this now. Sorry. All right. So I'm just gonna pull things up. Okay. This is pretty, I think. This is Ann Taylor. I pick up Ann Taylor, so I'm not mad at this. This is just a white top over. It's like long sleeve with like elastic sleeves. The sleeves look a little bit, maybe it's a puffy sleeve. This is a size medium. This is cute. I would probably pick this up at the bins. I don't know that I would have paid $3 for it, but it should still sell. I don't see any flaws right off the bat, so that's good. Excellent. I need to figure out where I'm going to put this stuff as I pull it out. Oh gosh. Okay. This is brand new. This is a long sleeve convertible collar zip robe from Anne Klein. I might give this as a Christmas gift. Or maybe I'll list it and somebody else will give it as a Christmas gift. This is small medium, so that's cool. I mean, these aren't super expensive, but still, I'm not mad at it. I was expecting these boxes, honestly, to be trash, so far so good. Okay, next. Okay. Montiu. I don't know the brand. It just says medium. This is a yellow. This is more springy, I think. Like a deep V peplum waist. But it's cute. It should sell. Again, I'm $3 each item into these things, so if I can sell them for $15, that's still a decent profit. These are Aerie, which I believe is like American Eagle lounge line. These are like a paperback waist, and they're very, very light. They've also got like the elastic leg, ankle, that's what I meant. These are cute. These will sell for sure. Medium, they're sheer. I like those a lot. Okay, we're not doing bad. This is already better than a B&G box in my opinion. Okay, what is this? Looks like this might be 2 pieces. Okay, this is from Ross because the Ross tag is still on it. MSRP is $59. It's Sharango. I've never heard of the brand. Sharango. Okay. It's got shoulder pads. This is just like a blazer. It's very lightweight. I don't know what the material is, but it's a size 8. Let's see what the material is. Polyester and rayon. Okay. I don't know anything about it, so I think these are, oh, it's a dress. Interesting. I was expecting these to be pants, but this is actually a dress that goes with it. Same brand, same color. Long. It's got a belt, a D-ring belt. So, okay. I will definitely list those together as a piece. I don't know what I was trying to say. You guys know. Okay, next. This is Billabong. I don't pick up Billabong at all. This is size medium. This looks like a tank top, like an extra long tank top, or maybe it's a shorter dress. Not really sure. I'm not super excited about that, but I'm sure someone will buy it. Maybe Play-Doh will take it. I don't know. Okay, these I know because I pick them up often. This is just a pair of Nike Tempo running shorts. These actually are in really good condition. The inside's not faded, so this part a lot of times gets faded, and not so you can tell that they're pretty worn. But this is a good color, purple and white. I have a ton of these listed in my closet, so I would definitely pick these up. Size medium. Okay, next. This is Lucky Brand. So again, something I would probably pick up at the bins. Would I pay $3? Probably not, but it will still sell. This is sheer. It's like a boho. Keyhole in the front and the back. The size medium. Okay. Guys, I am not upset at this so far. Just gonna let you know that. So where are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're at 8 items so far. Are we only at 8? I feel like we jumped so much. There's still a lot in here, so I guess not. This would be 9. This is Miley and Molly. Never heard of it. And some of these I'm going to have to look up because I've never heard of them. This is going to be weird because it's white. It's just a sheer polka dot. It's cute though. These buttons are big and like bold. Size medium, peplum, little elastic. 9. I don't think there's 50 items in here. Because they're not supposed to be, they're supposed to be 10. Okay. So this would be 10. So this will be the last item that I show you guys for this video, and then I'll do the rest of them in the second video. This is by the brand Trends with a Z. I've never heard of that either. Can you see that? Okay. But this again is new with tags, so cool. It's from Ross. Looks like MSRP was not exciting. It was $7.99. So I don't know what I would do with these. They're just like cheetah sheer pants. I don't know. Somebody will buy them, but not super excited about that. So okay, that's all I'm going to show you because there's probably we're probably about halfway done now. So there's supposed to be 10 to 12 items. So there might be a little bit more on the other video than on this one, but that's okay. So yeah, I mean, overall with the 10 items that I got for $30, I'll definitely make my money back. And I think I could double or triple out of that, just the stuff that I pulled out so far. And then there's still a ton of stuff in here. So make sure that you're subscribed and your bell notification is on because the next video will go out in the next couple of days because it is Vlogmas if you don't already know. So there will be a video out every single day from now until Christmas. And it will be out at 7 p.m. Eastern time used to be my time zone. Now it's Central time. It'll be 7 p.m. Central time. And I've been doing relatively well scheduling them out to make sure that they do come out on time. So if you are interested in knowing what time they are, so far it's been 7 o'clock and that's been working. So I will see you on the next one, guys. And thanks so much for hanging out. Bye.